top 10, we going further. We were top 10 dead or alive, swear to God. You already know the vibe. Come on, we outside.
So I went to the club. Put on a fresh white suit and the mini coupe sitting on love. I'm really looking for somebody to talk to and show me some love. If you know what I mean. Everybody jocking me as soon as I stepped in the spot. 200 bitches in the building, ain't none of them hot. Except for this pretty young thing that was working all the way at the top. Tell me what is your name? Oh, she made us drinks, the drink. We drunk and drunk and then I think she thinks I'm cool. She gave me a wink, I wink back, and man I think that.
For those of you who don't know, this is a fully built K24Z3 that I've been building for the past couple months. This has actually been put together by my boy Ricardo down in South Florida. He put together the internals in this engine and he also built my transmission. The transmission is Gear X, gears 1 and 2, and then BF gears helical or helical. I don't know how the fuck you say that shit. 3rd and 4th are rated for 800 horsepower. This is a fully built K24Z3. The block got shipped off to CSS. It's rated for 800 horsepower. And then on the inside of the engine, I'm not sure if you can see it, we got some Manly Turbo Tough I-beam rods in there. I'm just playing. That's my old motor that shot a fucking rod to the moon. But yeah, so we got Manly Turbo Tough I-beam rods, Wiseco pistons, 11.1:1 ratio. Huge shout out to Wiseco for sending us some forged pistons. To have them actually sponsor this build is crazy to me. For me, I'm just some kid still posting YouTube videos, bro. I'm not gonna lie. So to have a sponsor like Wiseco, that's absolutely crazy to me. But yeah, we got their 11:1 forged pistons. Let's not forget about what's in the oil pan. The oil filter location has been changed from down here to up here, and that's due to having the Type S oil pump. That's a conversion kit. So I ended up using the conversion kit that PRL offers. I didn't have any complaints from Reynardo. Pretty sure it wasn't too bad. But trust me, if you got something to complain about, he gonna tell me, bro. Moving on to the head, we have SuperTech 80-pound valve springs for the K24Z. We got the whole valve spring and retainer kit.
All you catch me on YouTube with the headphones on, bro.
Bro, come on. So
like I'm working tech support, bro.
You work IT?
Leave me alone. No, fuck you.
Stock head, not ported. Stock RBC, not ported. Just a K24Z3, fully built. Found it at the junkyard. If you guys want to go see that video or the whole series, any video from the whole series, actually, I'm not gonna lie. Great series. Promise, if you watch the whole series, you won't be disappointed. In my opinion, the videos just kept getting better and better. But even though this has been the most expensive thing I've ever done in my life, I had a lot of fun building this, bro. And I made a lot of connections, met a lot of new people, a lot of great people, you feel me? Basically, we built this from the ground up. The motor has all new seals, all new guides. Obviously, if you guys haven't seen this shit yet, I painted the valve cover pink. This pink is really me stepping out of my comfort zone. And I just wanted something different, bro. Everybody tends to run the same colors on K-Series valve covers, so I thought I'd switch it up, you know what I'm saying? If you guys have seen a valve cover this color, this pink, not no hot pink, I mean, more close to a salmon pink. It's called Strawberries and Cream. I mean, I got it powder coated by B&J Powdercoated. They did a great job powder coating and taping everything off. Feel me? But yeah, we got it powder coated, Strawberries and Cream. You still got the fucking headphones on. Nah, real shit. Who you talking to, man?
I tell you, I gotta kill you.
You serious?
Also did Inline Pro M Series head studs for the K24Z. I really ain't do much. And the shit costed like 30 grand. Alright, so for the turbo, we got a Pulsar 3584 Gen 2 with the T51R mod. If you guys haven't heard the T51R mod before, I'm gonna put in some clips. It's kind of like a jet taking off on the spool up, so that shit sound crazy. Being that this is a dual ball bearing turbo, we will be running coolant on this. I got the oil feed line restrictor set up already. Got the coolant holes plugged, and we have our 10 AN oil drain for the turbo. I will be routing the oil drain to right here. Reynardo actually did this for me. He said a lot of people actually don't know about this spot. Well, now they probably do. This is a great spot for the oil drain for turbos. You don't really have to deal with the oil sloshing around and going back up into the oil drain line. Put it here, we shouldn't have to deal with that. There shouldn't be any smoking issues. He had to do some cutting. That's why a lot of people don't like doing it like this. I'm excited to see how that oil drain works though. Attached to the turbo, we got a Tile B60. It's a 60mm wastegate. Bless you, bro. My fault, bro. My fault, bro. My fault, bro. My fault, bro. My fault. My fault. I ended up going with the 60mm just to counteract the boost creep on the Sidewinder. Usually on K-Series, there is boost creep when you use the Sidewinder. I'm not sure why that is. A lot of people usually go with the 60mm to counteract that. Huge shout out to Workhorse.fab. Without him, none of this shit would be possible. You feel me? The manifold actually came with the 44. He cut off the old flange and welded on the 60mm for me. Since I bought this off of Facebook Marketplace, it came with a T4 instead of a T3, so he went ahead and swapped that flange out for me also. Huge shout out to him. I'm gonna put his IG on the screen. If you need any custom fab work, and I mean anything, bro, he knows what the fuck he's doing, bro. Just tell him I sent you. He'll definitely get you right. And that's in the Orlando area. Orlando, Kissimmee, that type of area. They're around there. I don't even know where I got this manifold from, to be honest. Pretty nice quality, though. You know what I'm saying? Shit. Should do what it gotta do. These niggas pulling up from the gym. All types of shit. My son flexing with the C-Class. I ain't gonna lie. We got the Mustang. That's how y'all pull up here, man, in a nice whip? Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Hold up. Yo, what's good, gang? Nah, this shit is dead ass tough. This shit is clean as fuck. That shit is executive, though. No cap. Like, this shit look executive. Like, you just stepped out that bitch, you looked executive, nigga. Pretty simple built K24Z. Only really did the stuff that's really necessary, you feel me? Stock cam, stock head, still a K24Z head, not a K20 head. That 9 gen coming down the block. That boy Mark. Shit is looking beautiful, fam.
Appreciate you. Hey,
I would dap you up right now, but you feel me?
I'm good. You show them boys the monster feeling now?
No,
bro, that bitch rub crazy, bro.
Rub crazy.
But it's only the attachment. But I'm gonna order a new fender, so I'm just gonna hit this as much as I can, bro. Like I said, bro.
You know how you can fix it?
Raising it? But guess what? We don't raise it.
You right?
We just sit it, bro. So it is what it
You
is,
right.
bro. I didn't pick it up from the last height. I'm not going to.
I'm not gonna lie, I do the same shit. I'm hard-headed as fuck.
It looks good still.
Still got the lights on, bro. It's been like 3 weeks, bro.
Yeah, ain't gonna lie,
Turn
bro.
the off, man.
Oh my god.
Yeah, bro.
You just catch my rashes down? Please let me cut
Type
that shit.
yeah.
Thank you. Oh my god.
That shit do look type nutty, I'm not gonna lie.
What do you mean by that?
Yeah,
Y'all supposed to be saying gat? Nah, I ain't gonna lie. This is crazy, bro.
I was telling them, like, the color, a little out of my comfort zone, but fam, when I got it done and I picked it up, and I looked at this shit in the sunlight,
Fuck, dude.
I was like, fam, I'm so glad I picked this color, because this shit look crazy in the sunlight. They not ready, bro.
Even this guy redoes, bro.
Even this shit, glossy black. Perfect,
Yeah,
gloss black. None of that spray can shit, man.
Did you shit? This is grinding right here. Oh my god, bro. I can't wait to see this in the car. Fuck my car. I can't wait to see this in your shit start.
Damn, you gonna be boosted soon too, though, man.
Yeah, but I'm trying to see the homie get back on the road.
Nah, it's been a minute, bro. It's been a long time.
Yo, they're not ready.
I'm not gonna lie, YouTube fam, y'all seen it first, bro. When I dropped this bitch on the gram, nigga, this shit finna go crazy.
Yeah, I'm not holding no more, bitch.
All right,
I
bro.
promise you,
All
I
right.
changed my
No one was looking at the whole.
Nigga, you kept filming.
You started brand new, right?
Yeah, brand new starter.
Everything is brand new.
I kept the old alternator because it's still working.
If it's working,
Yeah. Brand new serpentine belt. It looks tough. As the sun going down too, bro, that shit just looking more and more tough, bro. I also forgot to mention, when I sent this to CSS, I got the cylinders bored out to 87.5 millimeters. OEM is 87. I just went a 0.5. We got the 87.5 millimeter pistons also to complement that. That's pretty much it.
I know you don't do it for numbers, but if your loyal fans, bro, do not keep watching your channel, they don't know what's about to hit their ass, bro.
Yeah, the video's only gonna get better. So if you haven't been watching, make sure you tap in now,
Think about
bro.
all your old content, what you did on the stock block. This is on a different scale. It's about to be on a different
No more
scale.
stock block, bro. It's crazy. This block is literally built for 800 horsepower in that car.
You're not ready, bro. I'm trying to... Bro. This is a new motor. There's nothing cycled through this motor at all, bro. No fluid. That's brand new.
We'll have to prime it before we start it up and everything, bro. no oil. The motor's almost done, completely being put back together. Only thing we really have left is to put on the transmission. We gotta get the flywheel resurfaced, put the clutch and pressure plate back on. In order to do that, we gotta take it off the engine stand. So once we get an engine hoist, we can go ahead and do that. And then we'll be dropping her back in the 9th gen soon, man. Still not that close. We a lot closer than before. It's been over 7 months, bro. It took over 7 months to put this shit back together, bro. You know what I'm saying? But it's well worth it. For all you guys that haven't even seen any of the series or nothing, definitely tap in, bro. You definitely will not be disappointed.
I get my version?
Yeah, go ahead, bro.
Alright, so basically, I don't know what Corey was telling y'all, but I'm gonna give y'all basically what I see. Alright, so you see this? This is the head to the motor that's gonna kill me. This right here is the purple wastegate for the motor that's gonna kill me.
Okay.
And this, the long story short, y'all may call it a turbo. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I don't call it that.
What you call it?
A V8 killer.
Oh, shit. That's his car, y'all. He pointing at his own shit.
I'm really, if y'all didn't catch it, let me hold on. Watch. You put both of them in sport mode so you can see. So I want y'all to really understand the seriousness.
Should I put my iPhone in action mode or nah? We good?
Nah,
Alright,
nah, cause now we serious.
Okay.
I go in the gym a lot. Like that's what I do for a living, right?
If you couldn't fucking tell, like
Yeah, if you couldn't tell.
Yeah.
So
Fucking
you know,
idiots.
I'm a stand-up guy. I dress well, all that. You know what I'm saying? But like, forget all that. The moral of the story is,
I'm not gonna lie, the suit is very nice, bro. What's that? Balenciaga? I know they make the oversized shit. I think
it's a little bit of Burlington, and I'm cheap. I'm not one of them showboat guys. My money goes into my machine.
it's a machine, bro. It is a machine.
You know what I'm saying? So, long story short, y'all don't gotta worry about all the fancy. This man probably telling you all this horsepower, block, but you don't worry about it. So look, all you gotta remember is, you see this? This is the reason that niggas like me have to make unnecessary, stupid decisions. It's a V8 killer. Thank you. Summed everything up. See, my car doesn't have a... Don't have none of that. But it's okay, bro. Manuel.
Got 3 pedals.
Yep, 3 pedals. I'm saying this shit to make myself feel better, but it's like...
Bro, you drive an SS, bro. You feel me?
A 2SS, don't sound.
My fault. My
You
fault.
see the ambient light.
My fault.
Please. Peasantry, please. I'm gonna have to make a decision. Those of you who know, y'all know what decision I gotta make. With that being said...
I'm addicted to flashing and fashion.
I got a fat ass hole in my pants too, but if that shit on camera, delete that shit.
You good, fam? Yo, let me get a popsicle stick, bro. Pause.
Take a tour.
Alright.
You can see the hole in my pants, bro. Stop filming me, bro. Yo, yeah. I'm about to kick your incident into the street, nigga. Keep fucking with me, bro. I'm about to kick this shit into the street.
Chill out, bro. What color y'all picking? I'm not gonna lie. I'm fucking with the pink, bro.
There's only one color.
It's only right for this video, bro.
Oh,
That's
yeah.
orange.
They gon' recognize now that I'm blasting. I done drop a couple for them maggots. You can talk a lot, but it get tragic. From New York, so we making it happen. Why they try to keep me on my balance? Niggas really tryna copy patterns. We was making them plays at the dark. I don't rap, but I'm leaving my mark. Play it hard like I'm playing guitar. They will rap like I'm playing a harp.